Sneak erasers are not normal sponges. Just like pencil erasers, these disintegrate as you use them. Sneak erasers are most effective when used gently. Just add water. For maximum cleaning power, keep the sponge puffed. If you press hard, you'll flatten out the sponge and smoothen out the microscrubbers, causing it not to work. The less pressure you use, the better it'll work and the longer it'll last. Sneak erasers work fantastically on white soles and non-porous uppers. Surface level scuff marks, dirt, grime, and blemishes are no match for sneak erasers. Some materials such as soft foam soles can be harder to clean, but resist the urge to scrub hard. Keep swiping and rinse the sponge for best results. Some shoes get damaged by cuts, scrapes, gouges, and other permanent abrasions. Nothing can fix those. However, if a blemish can be removed, sneak erasers are your best bet. For cloth, mesh, and canvas materials, you'll want to check out our Sneak Eraser Soak Easy Detergent, since those materials need to be soaked to be cleaned. Sneak erasers. Finally, a quick and easy way to keep your shoes looking like new.